Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your phone and Authenticator app. This makes setup fast and secure. Open Discord, go to User Settings and My Account, then tap Enable Two-Factor Auth. Enter your password when prompted, because Discord requires re-authentication to add a new security layer. Once you enter the password, the app will prompt you to scan a QR code or enter a key manually. Make sure your Authenticator is open and ready to scan before continuing to avoid timeouts. After scanning the QR code, your Authenticator immediately starts producing 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. This is why timing matters. Enter the current code into Discord to verify the link. If it fails, wait for the next code cycle and try again. Once verified, Discord will ask if you want SMS as a backup. Remember, SMS is less secure versus Authenticator apps, so enable it only if necessary. Then save the recovery codes Discord shows you in a secure place. Complete setup by saving your recovery codes somewhere safe. Write them down or use an encrypted note because they are the last resort. Sign out and sign back in to test that Discord now requests both your password and a 6-digit Authenticator code. This confirms everything works. If you ever lose your phone, use one of those saved recovery codes to regain access and then reset 2FA. If recovery codes are gone, contact Discord support and be ready to verify account ownership with required details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.